Good afternoon, everybody. And I know I'm always slagging. Have a look at this dish there, guys. Show that. We just did that on our Facebook Live there. Very simple, kind of guacamole with smoked salmon, a little bit of yogurt on top. And I'm always slagging these guys coming out with these 5-minute meals, and 7-minute meals, and 20-minute meals, and all this kind of nonsense. And you wonder why you can't recreate it, because there's no such thing. It's all clever camera work. It's all pre-prepped. If you look at the veg, you'll see it's already been washed, and it's all blah, blah, blah. So don't believe it for a second. However, I am going to show you a very quick meal as why I keep telling you to cook an extra chicken, cook more pasta than what you want, cook more spuds and blah, blah. So here's a really simple dish. This is going to be Sean's lunch. Pasta, and he was too shy to come in and make it. So that's the leg of the chicken. If you've watched the Facebook page, you've seen me do all these things up on the page. So we're just going to literally crumble in a little bit of chicken. This is already cooked. What do you reckon, Dills? This is so easy, anybody can do it. And this is what I want you doing at home, moms and dads. Have this in the fridge, so when your kids come home after sport, after training, after school, and they say, "What's for dinner, Mom? What's for dinner, Dad?" Just go out and make it yourself, lads. This is how easy it is. So we're just peeling off. I'm using the leg here today. You could keep the skin off it, by the way, take the skin off. You could use the breast, obviously, or whatever you want. Okay, Dills, pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper into that for me, please. Wash the hands for me. These are the kind of 5-minute meals you get. You want a 5-minute meal, make a big tray of lasagna. Next day, 5 minutes in the microwave, bing, 5-minute meal. Perfect. Did you put salt in yet?
Yeah.
Put in the salt. Okay, a little bit of a squeeze of a lime juice. Not even, just about a quarter of it. A little bit of olive oil. You definitely put the salt in, yeah, I can see it. A little bit of oil. Tiny little bit of sweet chili. You can put in hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, anything at all. Just give it a little bit of flavor. And this is basically going in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Tiny bit of butter, just for the flavor part of it. Not much at all, teaspoon of it. Okay, it is as simple as that, albino. Okay, cover it with cling film. Bang it in the microwave for about, maybe 3 minutes, I say. And that's lunch. So that's why I want you making more. That's why I want you cooking an extra chicken. Give it a bit of shaky, shaky, shaky. I'm gonna bang this in the microwave for 3 minutes and it's ready. Now, perfect, 10 seconds left. We had it in for 3 minutes or so, 1.5 minutes. That is so bloody loud. 1.5 minutes to make it. These are the quick kind of meals. Like I said, lads, this is simple. It's simple stuff. When you don't want to be worrying about hassle, spoon over Dills. You don't want to be worrying about hassle. Look, you can do this once or twice a week. And it's great for the kids. A lot of kids have microwaves in school as well, so instead of bringing them a sandwich every day, just give them this. Simple, be careful when you open it up. It's quite hot, kids. Okay? And look how simple is that. Sean has this. How many times, Shawnee? 2-3 times a week, probably. Especially when training for the soccer. Very simple done. Pasta, chicken, sweet chili sauce, olive oil. They're 5-minute meals, not this other kind of nonsense. That's what I want you doing. Cook an extra chicken, cook a bit of extra pasta. That makes your life so much easier for the rest of the week.
Yep.
What do you say, Dills?
Let's go buy from me.
And let's go buy from him.